How you guys doing? This is Derek with Dell Woodworking. Today I'm going to be reviewing the True Position plumbing jig. Super excited to review this today. This is made in USA. This jig goes for around $299 new, and it also has a 100% satisfaction guarantee from True Position. Now opening this up, in the lid there's a little compartment. It actually has the instructions. Comes with a sticker. And also has an outlet template, which is pretty cool. You can either use that or you can just use the box you're going to put in. I already unbanded some of this stuff so that it would make it easier for the video, but these all come kind of strapped in, so it holds them in place. These are plastic. It would probably weigh a lot more if they were all metal, but what's nice is you can tell by the back of it, it's got like all this gritting in it, and it's actually pretty thick. It's got all those gritting inside of there, which really beefs it up and makes it pretty durable. So you can tell it's durable enough to do what we need to do with it for sure. There's a little compartment here in the middle. Zipper pouch comes with a piece of pipe, some extra stuff, but there's also room to put something if you wanted to in there. So yeah, let's start into this. These knobs, you can tell, are really good quality. It has like a rougher outside, so it helps. It's going to be nice to be able to tighten and loosen those. Kind of got that around it. It does have a level on it already. It also has these little knobs on it on each side. What that's going to do is that's going to allow you to butt it up against, make sure you guys can see it, butt it up against the cabinet. And then you can drop these parts down. On the other side, you can put like a little nail or a little screw so it's secured to the wall. That's what they recommend you doing. It'd be difficult to kind of try to hold it to the wall with one hand and try to like loosen these, get them down, tighten them. All of that, it'd be difficult to do with, just two hands unless you had somebody helping you or if you had more than two hands. So let's put some of these on there. Let's put it the right way. The level goes up. You want it to go like that. So you loosen this up. Looks like on the inside, there's actually a couple rubber gaskets. This kind of goes in and slides in this track so that, when it's already attached, you can still slide it left and right. This piece is going to drop in there, and it's going to secure it. Wasn't lined up. All right. Well, let's drop them all in. Why not? Okay, so we got these all on here. Wasn't that bad. It just took a minute to get it set up. So you can still tighten these a lot more. I only snugged them a little bit. I wasn't trying to torque them down too much. But it's pretty nice. You'll be able to set your, two supply lines. And then if this is the drain, pull it down farther. Do whatever you need to do. Tighten them. And you can tell that it does really feel like it holds them pretty good. It's never going to be absolute solid, but I mean, like, I would hope that you're just setting it up, turning around and marking the cabinet. You're not, throwing it in your vehicle and driving somewhere. So it seems like it holds it enough to do what you need to do with it. It also has these parts down here. So these little metal parts that are attached to there. From what I understand, you can make it so if you're drilling say your pipe is a 2-inch pipe, I think they'd recommend you drill like a 2.5-inch pipe. So you have 1/4 inch all the way around it, which your escutcheon should cover that. So you can set that maybe a 1/4 inch down from that so that it would give you that 1/4 inch all the way around to make it exact. I would probably just mark it as make it the edge of the pipe, and then I could always just add myself. But yeah, So far, I mean, I really like it. I feel like it's good quality. It's well made. I like that it comes with one that has the swivel on it. So you could switch that down, say you only had like 2 pipes coming through, or you already did the others, and then you throw on you reverse the other one so that you could do the outlet. You know, if it's a kitchen sink base, there's a good chance there's an outlet down there for a dishwasher or a garbage disposal. There's usually always like 3 to 4 different things you gotta to cut out for that. So, so far, first thoughts, I really like this. In the future, I'm gonna do a video of the next install that we do. I'm gonna do a video with using this for the sink base or vanity, whatever it is. We have a kitchen coming up in the next month and a half, so be on the lookout for that. Altogether, I highly recommend picking up one of these. True Position tools make some awesome stuff, some awesome jigs. I have their knob drilling jig, which is awesome. I did a video about that a while back, so if you want to take a look at that. But I highly recommend checking them out and picking up one of their jigs. It just makes life a whole lot easier. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you already have one of these and you've been using it, or if it's something that you were thinking about picking up. Let us know.